As you see, we will get 3 Solana back. Remove liquidity, and as you can see, the liquidity is going to go away. Now if we look in our wallet, boom, we got 3 Solana, guys. We put in 1 Solana and we just made a bunch of Solana. Chapter 1. New opportunity. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you already know Pump.Fun has been a major player in launching meme coins. But let's be real, it's getting pretty saturated. These days, people want a better way to launch and buy meme coins, one that doesn't crash to zero overnight. Enter Raydium, one of the hottest platforms right now for launching meme coins with real potential. If you're serious about getting in early and maximizing your gains, this is where you want to be. Let's explore why Raydium could be the game changer. So for example, if you go to Photon, you can see here new pairs and you can see dexes. And you can see a lot of shit dexes too. But the main two are Raydium and Pump.Fun. So as you can see that almost all of the meme coins are being launched on Pump.Fun. Like every second there's tons of meme coins being launched there. But if you only select Raydium, you will see that not many meme coins are being launched on Raydium. And as you can see with the market cap, every meme coin that gets launched on Raydium gets to fucking crazy market caps. Like there's not one. As the reason for that is when you launch a meme coin on Raydium, you need to be a developer. Like you need to know coding and programming and all that to launch a meme coin on Raydium. But the crazy part of this is that I found a new hack or website that allows you to launch a meme coin on Raydium without having to know how to code or program. Chapter 2. Meme Coin Solana Token Creator. So basically, this new website that allows you to launch a meme coin on Raydium is called solanatokenlabs.io. So if you go to solanatokenlabs.io, you can literally connect your wallet. Like I did already here, you can connect your wallet and you can launch your own meme coin on Solana here on Raydium. So this basically can turn your $100 to $500 into like $1,000. And you can continue this way until you reach like millions, like many other people do. And in this video, I will show you like live how to do this. Chapter 3, Idea for Meme Coin. So I will launch a meme coin live in this video to show you guys the proof that this is the new crazy method that is insane. Like it prints insane amounts of money. So for this example, I already did some research. You know what I usually do is I go to Pump.Fun, I go to Photon and Memescope. I look on, meme coins that are trending, like what's popping right now. As you know, in my opinion, what has always worked for me is pets and celebrities. Like cute pictures of dogs, cats, and celebrities. That's like the main meta of the whole meme coin space. Yet you had, of course, with the elections, you could make a bunch of different meme coins with that. Like Donald Trump meme coin recently, it's fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm basically going to launch a meme coin with this image, so I already made a design. I'm going to call it Zelensky. I went to Canva and I made this in 500 by 500 pixels and I just downloaded. It's that easy, guys. So now you go to solanatokenlabs.io, you're going to connect your wallet. You can, and I'm going to show you live. Guys, Chapter 4, Solana Token Creation. I connected it already. When you do it the first time you need to. Of course, approve the connection, so that's what I did already. And yeah, for this purpose of the video, we're going to launch the meme coin Zelensky, so we're going to type in Zelensky in name. And for the symbol of the coin, so we're going to call it ZU. Then you can simply just upload the image you just made of your meme coin. So, I just uploaded it, boom, there we have it. Now we press on next. This is already pre-filled in, so that's amazing. So you have like decimals, we're going to use 9 and the total supply is 1 billion. And here you have the description of your meme coin. So we're going to do like the baby Zelensky please, something like that. Next step, it doesn't matter for the website and socials, you don't have to fill in anything now. But yeah, in future when the Raydium market gets saturated, you have to put extra effort and provide these socials too. Here, you have to modify the creator information. It also doesn't matter, so unselect this. Yeah, here you have a custom token address. This is a pro feature here. You can change the token address to Pump or Moon and make the game more attractive. All the coins that graduate or succeed on Pump.Fun or Moonshoot get launched on Raydium, leaving it for right now. So the next step is that you have here revoke authorities. These 3 options are already turned on automatically. And what this means is that if you deselect this, so if you have it for an example, Like, this means that you can adjust the token information. Like, you can adjust everything later after it has been launched. This means that you basically can add more supply after your token has been created. And this means, well, you can read it here, that you can freeze the token accounts of holders. This means no one is going to buy your meme coin, because who is going to buy a meme coin where you can adjust everything and even freeze the token accounts of holders? Like, no one is going to buy, so you have to select everything. So the next step for this is that you just create the token. Yeah, you get all kinds of warnings from Phantom, but you can completely ignore. So you just press on proceed anyway, and I will show you guys live that this isn't some weird scam or something. So you can just press on confirm, and I will even show you live right now. I'm doing this so you can see live confirming transactions. I'm launching the meme coin right now. Like, this is going to be a Solana token on the Solana network. It takes a couple of seconds, but as you can see, the token has been created successfully. Here you have the token address, and now you can also view it on the Explorer. So when you press on there, you can see that your token has been created Zawinski. So this is pretty nice. Our token has been created. If you look at the metadata, you can also see the coin name and stuff. Also, you can check it on Solskin here, and we can see authorities are revoked. Chapter 5, launching a meme coin on Raydium. So the next step to make this work is when your token is created. Now you need to create a liquidity pool. So press this button to create a liquidity pool, and you will automatically land on this Raydium website. Press create new liquidity, and then you press on standard AM continue. So what you do next is you are going to connect the wallet that you just created your meme coin with. So you press on connect. Now we have our wallet connected. For the base token, guys, we will use our meme coin, and I have still 0.6 Solana remaining in this wallet. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Solana Token Labs. You're going to copy the token address. You're going to paste it in here and there. You have this, and then you need to fill in the same name and symbol that you filled in before. So my meme coin name is Zawinski, and symbol is ZEW. At base token here, we have it, and then you press max, and then you're just going to remove that, and you're going to fill in 900 million. This is important because you have 1 billion tokens in your wallet, and you're going to fill in 900 million. The quote token is going to be Solana, and you can just do everything you have. You won't lose this money because you are the first buyer, so you are not going to lose this money. Here it says a creation fee of 0.2 SOL is required for new pools, I guess. So basically, now you click on initialize liquidity pool, then you need to confirm the transaction. Now you can see that the liquidity pool has been created when you now go to Photon. Here, our coin was launched seconds ago on the Raydium DEX. You can just go to the coin, and you can see there's already transactions going on, and the liquidity is doubled. We can check transactions here. So the dev put in 0.5 Solana ourselves, and we got some people who bought already. Chapter 6, manage down, remove liquidity. Now, what we need to do to make money with this is we need to go to the portfolio by managing the liquidity button on Solana Token Labs and refresh the page. Our liquidity pool takes a little time to appear here, so we just need to wait and refresh. In the meantime, there will be people who buy our meme coin, so we just need to wait for now. We're just waiting right now, and as you can see, someone just bought 1 Solana of our meme coin, so that's really nice. What I'm going to do is check the portfolio and keep refreshing the page because the liquidity pool has not shown up yet. This can sometimes take some minutes, so I'm just going to keep refreshing and waiting to see. But remember, this is only for educational purposes. Only do this with caution. So now we're just chilling, we're waiting, and we just got another person who bought. As you can witness, we got people literally buying our meme coin. We're already at over 1,000 liquidity. We're just going to wait till the liquidity pool shows up in Raydium. Chapter 7, removing liquidity. As you can see, I just refreshed the page on Raydium with the portfolio tab, and now the liquidity pool has shown up. So what we can do now, if we want, is select the minus button, press 100%, and as you can see, we can remove liquidity. Press confirm. As you see, we will get 3 Solana back. Remove liquidity, and as you can see, the liquidity is going to go away. Now if we look in our wallet, boom, we got 3 Solana, guys. We put in 1 Solana and we just made a bunch of Solana. This is the easiest method right now to launch meme coins. Disclaimer, this video has been made entirely for educational purposes only.